want to play now. I like beads. Can we play a game with beads?
Okay, come. Let's play a game with beads.
Chinu, Futa, come here. We are going to play with the beads.
Let us make bangles.
It is fun to make bangles. Meenu, will you give me some beads?
Yes, Buzz. This is for you. Chinu, this is for you. Futa, you can take this. I will keep these beads.
Okay, let us make bangles. 10 beads for one bangle, okay? Okay, I will make a beautiful bangle. Buzz, stop talking now. Make your bangles fast.
My bangles are ready. I made 3 bangles and I have 5 more beads left. So, I have 35 beads with me.
My bangles are also ready. I made 3 bangles and I have 2 more beads left. So I have 32 beads.
I made 1 bangle and I have 8 more beads left. So, I have 18 beads.
I made 1 bangle and I have 6 more beads left. So I have 16 beads. Buzz, I have more beads than you. How? I have 32 beads and you have only 16 beads. But Chinu, how many more beads do you have? How do we find that?
I will tell you, Buzz. I will keep this bangle here and a loose bead here. Chinu has 3 bangles and 2 loose beads. You have 1 bangle and 6 loose beads. Now, let us write like this. 32 minus 16.
Oh, you write minus. Why do you write minus?
Because you have to subtract, Buzz. Here we are taking away. You want to find out how many more beads Chinu has. So you have to subtract to find that.
Okay, now I know. Let me subtract. I will subtract the loose beads first. Oh, how do I take away 6 beads from 2 beads?
I will tell you, Buzz. Let me open 1 bangle of Chinu. Now, Chinu has 2 bangles and 12 beads. First, I will cut 3 and write 2 here.
Why?
Because now Chinu has only 2 bangles. Then write a small one here. This means there are 12 loose beads.
Now it is easy, Buzz. You can take away 6 beads from 12 beads. I know. I will tell you. 12 minus 6 equals to 6. So I will write 6 here.
That's right, Buzz. Now look under the bangle. It is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. I will write 1 here. So, Chinu has 16 beads more than Buzz.
Chinu, you have 16 beads more than me. So you have 1 bangle and 6 beads more than me. That is 16 beads more than me.
Yes, I have 16 beads more than you, Buzz. Now let's see how many beads Meenu has. Meenu has 35 beads and Futta has 18 beads. So Meenu has more beads than Futta. But how many more beads?
Let me find out how many more beads. First, I will write 35 like this, and then I will write 18. 35 minus 18. Now I have to take away 8 beads from 5 beads.
Do you know how to do that, Buzz?
Yes, Meenu. I will open one of your bangles. So Meenu now has 2 bangles and 15 beads. So I will cut 3 and write 2 here. Then I will write a small 1 here.
That's right. Now we take away 8 beads from 15 beads. It is 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. So I will write 7 here. Now I will do 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So I will write 1 here. It is 17 beads. So Meenu has 17 beads more than Futta.
So Meenu has 17 beads more than Futta. Hey, this is fun. Shall we do more?
Okay, we will do it with our books. Chinu has 31 books. I have 17 books. Buzz, can you tell me how many more books Chinu has?
How do I do this?
I will tell you. First write it like this. 31 minus 17.
Why 10 and 1?
Buzz, you forget everything. It is tens and ones.
Tens and ones?
Buzz, it is something like the bangle and loose beads we kept. One bangle has 10 beads. So, we write 10 instead of keeping a bangle. And we had loose beads. So, we write 1 instead of the loose beads.
Okay, now I know. Chinu has 31 books. That is 30 plus 1. It is 3 tens and 1 one. So we write 3 under 10 and 1 under 1. Meenu has 17 books. That is 10 plus 7. It is 110 and 7 ones. So we write 1 under 10 and 7 under 1.
That's right, Buzz. Now I will cut 3 and write 2. Then I will write a small 1 here. Now I will do 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7 is 4. So I will write 4 here.
Now I will do it. I will do 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 equals to 1. So I will write 1 here. It is 14 books. Cheenu has 14 more books than Meenu.
Buzz, now you also know how to find out how many more.
Yes, Meenu, it is fun to find out how many more. Shall we do more? We will do it with seeds. Okay, I have 47 seeds. Futta has 73 seeds. Who has more seeds? Futa has more seeds than you. Okay, now tell me how many more. I know. First, I will write it like this. 73 minus 47. Look, now I wrote 10 and 1 also. Then I will cut 7 and write 6. I will put a small 1 here. Now it is easy. First it is 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 equals to 6.
Okay, now I will do 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So, it is 26. Futta has 26 seeds more than Cheenu.
Hey, this is fun. Let's do it with Cheenu's marbles. Okay, I have 25 marbles. Futta has 17 marbles. How many more marbles do I have? Let me do it. First, I will write it like this. 25 minus 17. Then I will cut 2 and write a 1 there. I will put a 1 here. So it is 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7 equals to 8. I will write 8 here. Now, can you do this? Yes, I can. But it is 1 minus 1. Oh, what is 1 minus 1?
It is easy, Buzz. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So, it is just 8. So Chinu has 8 marbles more than Futta.
Can we do it with flowers now? Friends, you can also play this game with your friends. You can use beads, seeds, flowers, marbles, or pencils. You can find out who has how many more.
Friends, let us subtract now. Will you take your notebook and pencil? Buzz will also do it with you. 27 minus 15 is equal to 12. 18 minus 13 is equal to 5. 37 minus 15 is equal to 22. 49 minus 17 is equal to 32. 25 minus 11 is equal to 14. Shall we match the following now? "18 minus 7 11 29 minus 15 14 33 minus 12 21 47 minus 13 . 34. 12 minus 2 . 10. 'Shall we help Buzz subtract now? 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. 27 minus 19 is equal to 8. 36 minus 17 is equal to 19. 44 minus 15 is equal to 29. 32 minus 15 is equal to 17. 54 minus 37 is equal to 17. 22 minus 9 is equal to 13. 42 minus 16 is equal to
26.
Will you help Buzz subtract? Raja has 15 bones. He ate 7 bones. How many bones does Raja have now? 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. Raja has 8 bones left. There are 24 yellow flowers and 16 pink flowers. How many more yellow flowers are there? "24 minus 16 is equal to 8. There are 8 more yellow flowers. Chinu has 34 marbles. Sahil has 15 marbles. How many more marbles does Chinu have? "34 minus 15 is equal to 19. Chinu has 19 more marbles. Meenu has 16 books. Sheila has 9 books. How many more books does Meenu have? "16 minus 9 is equal to 7. Meenu has 7 more books. Grandma has 34 bananas. Sita auntie has 15 bananas. How many more bananas does Grandma have? "34 minus 15 is equal to 19. Grandma has 19 more bananas. Goodbye, friends.